Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Way. Today I am going to make Chundakka Vathal. For that I have boiled little water. Now the Chundakka I have crushed like this and sun dried for 2 days. Now I am going to put this in the boiling water. We'll cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes. We can make the turkey curry in two ways. One is we can put it in curd and salt in that mix. This is the one I had put it in the curd, and this is the cooked method, this method, sun dried one. Now this is yet to dry, still little wet. So there are two methods for making this sun dried Sundakkai, that is turkey berry. We have to first remove the crown of the Sundakkai, then crush it with a stone so that it will break and a little bit of that seed will come out. Wash it well, then sun dry this for 2 days, then you continue with this process. Similarly, you can put the berries in the curd and salt mix and keep it for a day and night, that means 24 hours. Then remove it from the curd and put in a plate and sun dry it, and again put it back in the curd till such time the curd is totally dried up. And in this method you can cook this and sun dry it directly. Actually I had kept little water extra. This much water should not be there. Now this I will have to drain out. Actually the water should not be drained out. So what I am going to do is I am going to cook this till the water is also evaporated fully. The water is dried up totally and I have put it in a plate like this, and now I will sun dry this now. The Sundakka Vathal is dried up. It's ready for storing it now. The sun dried Chundakkai is ready here. This is the boiled one and this is the curd based one. Both are dried very nicely. Now we can store this. I'll show you how to fry this. The turkey berry is dried up. I gave it to my brother, so I have very little now for frying. This is the curd based one and this is boiled and sun dried one. Now we will fry them. This can be served with curd rice, dal rice, or you can just crush it in the plain rice, add ghee and just have it, mix with it and have it. Because these are good for health and have got medicinal values. Now this one is fried. I'll take it out. Now I'll put the sun dried one. Sorry, the boiled and sun dried one. So our Sundakka Vathal is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button and press all also, so that you, you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Now this one is also fried nicely. I'll remove it. This dried one also used for making Vatha Kuzhambu. That is a tamarind based curry we make to serve along with rice. So the fried Chundakkai is ready to serve. Enjoy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.